Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and just like my shirt, we love talking about quail. So this is another video to help you on your journey with Coturnix quail and becoming more self-sufficient. Now in this video, we are going to start a brand new playlist on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. And we are going to be breaking down every color and jumbo that we have, and we're going to give you all the information we have on it. We're going to be talking about average weight at full maturity, what they look like, the differences between male and female, how to sex them, the average weight of the eggs. We're going to talk about production, lifespan, average hatch rate on shipped eggs from feedback from my customers. We're going to be talking about how to get the color, the classification of the quail, all kinds of fun stuff. I've got a list here of things that I want to share with you. I've got all the information in front of me, so I'm very excited. This is the most requested videos that I have had, so I'm very excited to get started. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, support the channel so we can bring you more videos, and hit the bell so you get notifications on future videos so you can learn how we produce pearls and snowies and pansy fees and everything in between. So I'm very excited. Let's get started. I do have one of each of the quail with me. Now, the first thing you need to know, the Jumbo Wilds have many different names. The Jumbo Wilds have more names than any other Coturnix quail. They're Jumbo Browns, Jumbo Wilds, Jumbo Pharaohs, traditional Jumbos. A lot of people that are starting out just know them as the Coturnix. So they're the original traditional Coturnix quail. So we call them the Jumbo Wilds. That is what you'll see on our website or anything else that we do. This is what they look like. Okay? And this is what the chest looks like. Now, this is a hen. The reason I know that it's a hen is because it is what we call feather sexable. So being feather sexable, we can tell by looking at them whether they're male or female. Now she is very shy, so you got to bear with her, okay? Now the reason I know that she's a hen is not because of her back feathers, but because of her chest. Her chest has those speckles all over it. So the feathered chest, the speckled chest, means that it's a hen. I'm going to show you what the male looks like. And as you can see, the back of the male, which I have to hold a little bit different because they're a little bit more crazy. The back of the male looks the exact same. Hold on, please. There we go. But the chest of the quail is different. It's a rusty brown look. So it's a feather sexable quail. You can tell the sex of them at 3 weeks old. Now they can be very confusing when you're starting out, because the first 2 weeks they're going to be changing the pattern on their chest. Some males might have that feathered chest, some hens might have a rusty chest, but at 3 weeks old everything changes. They're coming into their full adult feathers, and then you can be able to tell male from female. So that's how you can tell the difference. The next thing we're going to talk about is the average size. So the average size for a jumbo, to be considered a jumbo, is 10 ounces or more at 10 weeks old. Our Jumbo Wilds average 14 ounces at 10 weeks old. It is our absolute largest quail. The average egg size is 15 grams. They hatch 98.5% true. So between 98 and 99%. So that means out of every 100, 98 or 99 will hatch out the Pharaoh look. That other percentage will hatch out either white or Egyptian, and that is from past relatives. That's from great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents, great-great-great-great-great-grandparents. It's just, it'll come out every once in a while. So our goals for the Jumbo Wilds is that we would like them to be 14.5 ounces on average, so we've got a half an ounce to go. We'd like them to be 15 to 16 grams, so we're right about there. And we'd like them to hatch 99% true. So that is our goal. Also a side note, to get you to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell, I have a new generation of Jumbo Wilds growing out right now. When they're 10 weeks old, I'm going to do a video on how we weigh them and what it takes to get into our breeding program. So we're going to be doing a playlist on our breeding program in the future. So I'm very excited about that one as well. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for me. All right, so classification of quail. Now this is a twofold. I have an amendment to make. I did a video in a playlist called New to Quail and What You Need to Know. In the last video in that playlist, it is the 3 classifications of quail. And we categorize them as core, rare, and jumbo. I made a mistake on that video, and I am very sorry. I said that the core, the traditional Coturnix, lays 300 eggs a year for about 2 years, which is correct. But I misspoke when I talked about the jumbos. I said that they averaged 160 to 180 eggs a year. I was wrong. I did not mean that. The jumbo wilds average 260 to 280 eggs a year. I was off by 100. I'm very, very sorry. So the jumbo wilds average 260 to 280 eggs a year. Their average lifespan is 1 year and 9 months. The average lifespan on a traditional Coturnix is 2 years. So the larger they are, the larger the egg, the less lifespan that they will have. So they average 1 year and 9 months. How to get the color? There's going to be some colors that we're going to talk about how I can tell you how to get it, such as pearls or fab fees or Egyptians or things like that. The jumbo wilds, you just got to start with them. You got to purchase them from somewhere. That's honestly the best way to do it. The average lifespan we've already talked about. The average hatch rate on shipped eggs. So we ship almost 500,000 eggs a year. A lot of those customers give me feedback on what the average hatch rate is. And I've always kept that. And we've always mentioned what it is. Now, in the past few months, I've been getting more details as far as what they ordered, so I can have a different list. The average hatch rate on shipped eggs for the jumbo wilds, for the information that I have, which is only a couple months old, is a 70% hatch rate. So the average hatch rate on shipped eggs nationwide, not Myshire Farm, but nationwide, is 50%. That's kind of the standard. So 70% on jumbo shipped eggs is, I'm very proud of. So I'm very excited about that. And that is pretty much all the information for you. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. The next video will be the jumbo whites. Again, we'll be posting every day on this playlist on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live at 7 p.m. To help you on your journey and answer any questions that you might have that we have not answered. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day and stay safe.